YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're working on our Aaron snowblower, and we're going to show you the 3 most common causes that lead to an engine starting hard or running poorly after it starts. Let's head outside and take a look. All right, YouTubers, outside at the snowblower now, and 3 most common causes of the engine sputtering or running rough after it starts. Number 1, you want to actually address your attention to the choke control, and what I recommend, it's possible that you have an imbalance of fuel air mixture, and in your case you should be on the run position. However, if it's sputtering or running rough, you want to just add a little bit of RPM and turn the choke control off. Don't turn it to the start position, don't leave it in the run position, turn it off, and hopefully that will help rebalance your fuel air mixture. However, in the event that that does not, what you're going to need to do is shut the engine down, let the engine sit in the off position for at least 3 hours. That's best for your safety because this is hot. Come on down to the actual spark plug. It's possible that your spark plug connection point is loose. If it is, go ahead and push it back into place. It might make a clicking sound, or it might make that suction feeling sound. If that's not the case, go ahead and pull your spark plug connection point out. Take a look at your plug, check for any corrosion, check for any moisture, and make sure that this spark plug is not completely burnt to a point where it's fouling out aggressively. If you do see signs of stress, replace the plug. Don't waste your time cleaning it. Just pull it out, take it to the dealer, get a new plug. In our case, it is a 13/16 socket. You just remove that plug, and when you get the new plug, refer to your owner's manual and properly gap the plug. From here, reinsert your connection point and push it down into place until it makes that clicking or suction grip on the plug itself. And then start the engine, see if it runs a lot better. If it doesn't, direct your attention to the fuel. When's the last time you added fuel to your tank? If it's been a couple years, chances are you have contaminated or bad fuel, and you may need to drain it and reinsert new fuel. And I always recommend non-ethanol recreational fuel that lasts a long time and it doesn't gunk up any of your engine or fuel system. If that doesn't work, this little cap on the inner portion, it has a vent. And in the event that that vent seal fails, which it does over time, no big deal, just go get yourself a new cap. It's a very easy repair. Got a little connection point down at the bottom there, and throw this old cap away. Insert the new cap that has that fresh new vent seal, and see if that fixes your problem. Again, YouTubers, those are the most common causes, and hopefully one of those is your issue and you can get this engine back running properly and efficiently. So again, we hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching. And we also have an entire playlist working on our snowblower. It has a lot of videos, so definitely check that playlist out. You may find those videos helpful.